Students, in today's class we are going to see a problem on memorandum revaluation account. Let us see the question first. Here S and M are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:4. The firm's balance sheet as on 31st December was as follows. The liabilities: creditors 37,000, outstanding wages 8,000. Capital of S and M are given. Cash in hand 8,000, debtors 40,000, reserve for bad debts 3,000, total of 37,000 on outer column, bills receivable 12,000, stock 16,000, investment 20,000, furniture 6,000, buildings 34,000. The total of the balance sheet comes around 1,33,000. On 31st December 2010, Yes was admitted into the partnership for 1/4 share of profit with rupees 12,000 as his capital. On the same date, the assets were revalued as follows, but the partners agreed to show the assets and liabilities at the book value, or they have agreed to show their assets in the old value. This is the hint which is available for you to go for the memorandum revaluation account, right? And the adjustments are: value of furniture is 4,800, buildings was revalued 50,000, provision for doubtful debts 5,500, unrecorded assets 6,400, that is investment, it comes under asset. Unrecorded liability 2,500 has been noticed. Now let us go to the solution part. As usual, you have to prepare the revaluation account. In memorandum revaluation account, after preparing the revaluation account, we transfer the profit or loss to the old partners in the old ratio. Here the first part of the revaluation accounts are same. We'll do as it is what we have done so far in the revaluation account. The second part of the revaluation account, that we call it as a memorandum revaluation account, we write it as a memorandum revaluation account. Hence the partners wanted to show their assets and liabilities at the book value, so the reverse effect we have to do to eliminate the things. Let us see. First part is to prepare the new profit sharing ratio. As the Mr. K comes for 1/4 share, so let us assume the profit of the firm is 1. So from 1/4 we have to give it to K, and balance is 3/4. This is available for S and M. So S M 3/4 into their respective old ratio 3/7, 4/7. We will get 9/28, 12/28, and for K it is 1/4. Since the denominator for S and M is 28, to make it common we multiply and divide by one number, that brings 28 in the denominator, so that number is 7. So multiplied and divided by 7, so we'll get 7/28. So the new profit sharing ratio is, in PSR, new profit sharing ratio 9:12:7. Now let us go to the revaluation account. We write it as the memorandum revaluation account. First part is as usual revaluation account. So here debit, credit we have recorded, revaluation account, and in the question it has been given. So S and M are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:4. That is the starting, and here the adjustments given. Value of furniture is 4,800. So previous value of furniture is 6,000. So from 6,000 it is going down to 4,800. So the difference is the, so value of asset reduces. If the value of assets reduces, then you have to record on the debit side. So asset decreases, liability increases. Here asset increases, liability decreases. So this is the key things you need to remember for preparing the revaluation account. So the difference comes to 2500 reduced in the value of furniture, furniture 1200 reduced. Now next we have the building value at rupees 50,000. So previously the building value was rupees 34,000, now it is 50,000, so it has increased. So the difference is 16,000, that is increase. So increase in asset we have to record on the credit side. Next we have provision for doubtful debts is rupees 5,500. Now check the previous balance sheet for provision for bad debts. It is already, we have 3,000 here. Now it is 5,500. So from 3,000 now it has become 5,500. So 2,500 increased in the provision. So increase means that have a negative impact on the assets. So provision for doubtful debts 2,500. So asset is decreasing. When you reduce the provision from the data, then automatically asset will decrease. So we have to show it on the debit side of the revaluation account. Next we have unrecorded investment. Now we are recording 6,500. So far we have not recorded. So new investment is recorded. So it increase the asset. So it is increasing. So record on the credit side. Next unrecorded liability 2,500 has been noticed. So unrecorded liability. So liability increases. So it is on the debit side 2,500. Now almost we have completed the revaluation part. In memorandum revaluation account we have the two part. One is revaluation account, memorandum revaluation account, and then memorandum revaluation account we have one more step. So far we have seen this is similar to revaluation account, right? And now let's see, the total of this comes around 22,400. So this, the answer comes around, the profit or revaluation account comes around 16,200. that has to be shared among old partners S and M in their old ratio that we have shared. Now in the question it has been said that show the assets and liabilities at the book value, or assets are shown at the old value. So if it is this particular lines are given, then you have to prepare the revaluation, memorandum revaluation account. So it's very simple. After preparing the revaluation account, the first part which we have seen up to this, same thing, whatever you have recorded on the debit side, that will be transferred to credit side. See, 2,500 provision 2,500, furniture 1,200, liability 2,500, liability 2,500, and whatever you have recorded on the credit side, that will come here on the debit side. Buildings 16,000, investment 6,400. Now definitely we will get a loss. This loss has to be shared. This 16,200 loss has to be shared to all the partners, including the incoming partner, that is the new partner, Mr. K. So it has to be shared in the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio will share it. So new profit sharing ratio is 9:12:7. So we'll find out 5,207, 6,943 and 4,050. Where it's very simple. Once again I'll tell you, in the revaluation account, whatever you have recorded in the debit side of the account, after finding out the profit, you have to transfer to the credit side, that is the opposite side, and whatever you have recorded on the credit side of the account, you have to transfer to the debit side. Since the partners are showing the assets and liabilities at book value, or assets are shown at the old value. If you find these lines, you have to prepare the revaluation account, memorandum revaluation account. I hope you have understood this problem. We'll see you once again on one more video. Thank you.